In this video, I'm going to help you to fix the issue where your outgoing calls and your incoming calls are dropping. And you can fix this very, very simple. If you try to make call and you're not able to call, the call is just dropping. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Before we go further, don't forget to like this video, share to your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you find this video useful. Well, the first thing to do, go to your settings. You want to go to reset. So go to About Phone depending on the device, or down to System and tap on it. You hit Reset Phone. And what you want to do, you want to reset network settings. So this is if there's a problem with your network signal or with your SIM card, you want to reset the network. This will also reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and the Bluetooth. You can see we have two MTN carrier SIM card here. You can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2 and reset the settings. Another way you can fix this issue if the first method didn't work out is to go to your settings. Scroll down to your apps. Tap on App List. Locate Phone app, scroll down. You can use search to locate phone faster. Right. Tap on it and go to Permissions. You want to ensure that all the permissions are allowed. Call logs, camera, contacts, microphone, notification, phone. Make sure that phone is allowed. If it is not allowed, you will not be able to make calls. Then once you have checked the settings here, you should be good. The next thing in which you want to do is that you want to go to storage. And this is what fixes this issue most of the time. When you are in storage, you want to clear the data of the phone app. This will reset the phone app as when you just got your phone brand new. Because what happens at times, some apps create complication with your other apps like your phone app. For example, you download a Truecaller app, Facebook, Instagram, or any other different third-party apps, and sometimes they ask you to give permission to your contacts, permission to your phone, as in this app to make calls. Like Infinix browser, Samsung browser, and other browser. This is the reason where you can go right ahead from your Samsung browser and click call. Like if you look up a business listing, you can click call and it will take you to the phone. Different apps can create problem with your phone app. So what we're going to do when you go to storage, you clear the data. Once you clear the data, it will delete everything. It says, this app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes all file, settings, accounts, database, etc. So this should fix the issue. Once you have done that, you should be good to go. You should be able to go ahead, dial a number. I hope that this video was helpful. You can go ahead now and click on the like button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.